Thanks a lot, Capgemini. Well done.
Stay safe, stay happy. Cheers.
We are going for vaccination today. I'm working with Capgemini, and Capgemini is conducting the vaccination drive for all its employees. Capgemini rolled out vaccination drive for more than 1,25,000 employees and their dependents across India. I got the slot today, so my slot is from 9 a.m. till 11 a.m. I have booked the cab. Those who don't have vehicle or those who want to avail taxi, the cab facilities, that is also facilitating by Capgemini for the pre-negotiated rate for its employees. Yesterday I booked for the cab and immediately I got the response and the booking confirmation. So today, just now, I got the call from the driver, Prakash. He said he will be coming here by 8:30. So they will pick up and wait there and they will drop back to our home. This is our car, but we can't take our car. We are going by a cab today. So our cab came, so we are going in cab. So they are ensuring the safety of employees by sanitizing and following all the COVID protocols. So we decided to avail Capgemini cab. The driver name is Prakash. Okay.
And check the temperature.
Okay.
And we upload the photo for our company.
All right, all right. After almost 40 days, we are coming out.
After 40 days.
Yeah, almost 40 days. Now we are going through TC Palaya main road. From TC Palaya signal, we need to take left. This is TC Palaya signal. Now we entered the Old Madras Road. From here, after 200 meters, we need to take right to Hoodi side. This is Ayyappa Nagar. Here you can see few shops are opened. Till 10 o'clock, essential shops can be opened. On the footpath, you can see the footpath vendors selling the vegetables, fruits, flowers, etc. You can also see medical shops are opened and few furniture shops as well. This is the long view of Prestige Shantiniketan apartment. We are approaching Hoodi Circle. Reached Hoodi Circle. From here we are taking left to ITPL main road. This is Sri Sathya Sai Hospital, Whitefield Road. The mission is to provide high quality medical care free of charge to all, irrespective of caste, creed, religion, and financial status in an atmosphere of love and care. We reached Capgemini EPIP campus now. We entered the campus now. Vaccination drive yet to start and waiting for the instructions from the team.
One person at a time. Once you finish registering, you can go there and be seated. They'll call you for the jab from inside. The jabs will happen on top of the client, that board there. Once you finish your jab, walk across straight and be seated in the back. That's just the waiting area. Once you're 10-15 minutes, you're feeling okay, you can walk out on the same day outside and carry on. Any questions, you have me, Rajkumar, and anybody from the ICS team whom you can reach out to. And of course, you can click pictures, share it on social media that we're having a good time here getting the jab done at campus. Thank you guys.
That's right.
You both are going to take my
That's right. We need to register and then we need to go for vaccination.
What now?
So registration is done. Now we are going to the vaccination area. This is waiting area. We need to wait here. This is waiting area. We are waiting for our turn. Thanks a lot, Capgemini. Well done. Well maintained and very systematic way you arranged.
Thank you.
And thanks a lot.
Coming, stay safe, stay happy. Cheers.
We're going out after vaccination. We are going back after vaccination. So as I already mentioned, this vaccination was conducted by Capgemini as part of the vaccination drive rolled out for its employees and dependents. So thanks a lot, Capgemini, for facilitating vaccination drive. Very systematic arrangements we can see in Capgemini campus. Thanks a lot once again, Capgemini team, for taking care of the employees' safety. Once again, I would like to say, the health and well-being of its colleagues is the highest priority for Capgemini. Shami, you want to say something?
No, it's paining.
Oh, really? They asked us to take a Dolo in case we feel fever.
I
And-
think it's better to take one Dolo in the night.
Yeah, we'll see. So we need to take complete rest, right? Have good food. And this is the first dose we have taken.
We didn't ask, right? It is Covishield only, right?
It is Covishield. We have taken Covishield. Covishield is providing by Capgemini now. Capgemini is also planning to arrange to tie up with 200 plus hospitals for off-premises vaccination drive. This is really a great experience. Time is 10 o'clock now. You can see almost all the shops are closed now. We are back. After vaccination, we are back to home. Took bath. I just wanted to pass a message to all Capgemini employees. Please check your official mails for the vaccination notification. Register. After confirmation, get your vaccination done. Not only to the Capgemini colleagues, I request everyone to register, wait for your turn and get vaccinated. Stay home, stay safe, stay healthy. Thank you for watching this video. Have a great day.